Hi everyone, I'm Mia and this is another episode of Super Sundays on Go Play Sandwell TV. Today we are going to be making this teddy bear ear headband. I've actually made mine to look like a polar bear. However, if you have coloured paper, then feel free to use a variety of different colours. However, if you don't have coloured paper, if you've got felt tips or crayons, feel free to colour in your paper any colour you want. Now I'm going to show you a quick page of instructions on how to make this, and then we'll get into the video on how to construct your ears.
For the teddy bear headband, you'll need the following shapes: 4 circles, 2 larger ones and 2 little ones, and 2 strips of paper. The strips of paper, you'll adjust your head size, and once you've got your head measurements, tape them together. After, get your 2 larger circles, cut them out, and then add 2 little circles in a different colour for the centre so they can be the inside of the ear. Once you've done that, stick them together and tape them on the back side of the head.
And that's how we make our teddy bear ears headband. Thanks, and I hope you have lots of fun making this craft. It's really easy. All you need is a few resources. So I hope you are able to get stuck in.